Hello students, let us study about combustion, carbon and its compound. If you observe that bottom of the cooking vessel getting blackened, see if you are you kept the vessel on the burner flame. Some if it is this one yellow flame is there, means that vessel is become blackened. It means that the air holes are blocked and fuel getting wasted. Means the sufficient amount of oxygen is not supplied to the fuel or flame, then it fuel is getting wasted. Fuels such as coal and petroleum have some amount of nitrogen and sulfur in them. Coal and petroleum have some amount of nitrogen and sulfur in them. Their combustion results in the formation of oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen, which are the major pollutant in the environment. Sulfur and nitrogen is the major pollutant in the environment because it results oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen. These causes pollution in the environment. Why do substance burnt with the or without flame? Yeah, why substance burns with or without flame? Okay. Have you ever observed either a coal or wood or fire? Okay. uh, if you get the chance to close note that what happens when the wood or coal starts to burn, you have seen that the candle or lpg gas stove burns with a flame. The lpg gas burns with a blue flame. Okay, a candle it burns with a yellow, blue and red flame. Okay, and here however you will observe the coal or charcoal, uh, it burns with red flame with red and yellow. Sometimes just glows red and it gives heat without flame. This is because a flame is only produced when gaseous substance burns. Flame, when it is formed, gaseous substance it burns. When wood or charcoal is ignited, means burnt, the volatile substance first it burns. Okay, and it vaporizes, burns with a flame in the beginning. A luminous flame is seen. Luminous means it's a good flame, blue flame of the atom of the gaseous substance. Okay, are heated and starts to glow. The color produced by each element is characteristic property of the element. Try and heat the copper wire in the flame, the gas stove. Okay, you take one wire, copper wire, heat it in a gas stove, then it becomes red. Okay, the flame of the gas stove observe it the color, it become dark red. Incomplete combustion gives soot, means it the gas stove is not completely, combustion is not happening that time. It's become that wire become black soot, means black particles are attached to that one. That is known as carbon. Is a soot particle is a carbon. Okay, on the basis of that, you will attribute the yellow color of the candle of the flame. Formation of the coal and petrol. How the formation of coal and petrol takes place. Coal and petrol have been formed from biomass which has been subjected to various biological and geological processes. Coal is the remains of the trees and ferns and other plants that lived in million years of ago. Okay, these are dead and decay elements, animals that is deposited under the earth crust. It earthquake or volcanic eruption crushed into the earth. Okay, and oil and gas are the remains of millions of tiny plants and animals that lived in the sea. Okay, how the oil is prepared? It remains of millions of tiny plants and animals that lived in the sea. When they did, their bodies sank into the seabed and they covered by a silt. Silt means layer. Bacteria attacked on the dead and remained, turning them into oil and gas under high pressure. They were being subjected to, and meanwhile, silt was slowly compressed into the rock. It becomes rock. The oil and gas separated into the oil and gas seeped into the porous part of the rock and got trapped like water on a sponge. Okay, why? Can you guess why coal and petroleum are called fossil fuel? Means these are deposited under the earth crust. Means since millions of years remain, these trees, ferns and other plants lived millions years ago, and it is get deposited under the rock, and there is a formation of the rock on the